What's the meaning of all action? All action. All action. All action. All action. All action.
The term all action typically describes a person or situation that is characterized by constant movement, energy, or activity. It connotes a sense of vigor, dynamism, and excitement. In sports or entertainment, all action often refers to a player or performer who always puts on a thrilling show for the audience through their fast-paced and skillful movements. In daily life, all action could be used to describe a person who is always on the go, multitasking, and achieving their goals with fervor. Overall, all action suggests a lively and enthusiastic approach to life.